Looking for top-notch garage door solutions in Cumberland, LaVale, or Grantsville? Door Serv Pro has got you covered. Whether you need garage door repair, installation, or a quick tune-up, our local team is ready to help. We handle everything from commercial garage doors to those tricky garage door opener repairs. Got a broken spring or need a multi-panel replacement? No worries, we're on it. With our emergency services, your garage is always in safe hands. Need more info? Give us a call today. We're here to make it easy for you.